1975 Chevrolet Vega two-door hatchback here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood, the original numbers matching 2.3 liter inline four-cylinder that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Holley two-barrel on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. Now, as far as the paint on this is originally a number 80 paint code car, so it would have been orange metallic. It has had a repaint along the way, and it does have some orange peel, as you can see, and that's kind of consistent throughout the car. I want to give you the heads up about that, and check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see it from every angle: undersides, interior, engine bay, hatch on it, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the wheels, radial tires. I believe those were dated 02, so they would need some attention in the near future, sooner or later. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not really full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. We have some paint rub off here on the front of that door. Cloth vinyl combination interior, kind of a black and a gray. We'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Going to give you an idea on some of that orange peel in the paint too on the roof. Get a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. A few notes from the technician on this one. Let's see. Fuel tank, fuel sender, accelerator pump have all been replaced. Brakes like new, 100% front and rear. Radiator is full. I mentioned the coolant light does intermittently flash a little bit, but the radiator is full. Minor sips, typical from your powertrain, drivetrain for a car that's driven. Heater was in op, as well as the stereo. There are miscellaneous manuals that will go along with this. Check those out in the still pictures. Now, if you like to check out cars that are from the 70s, or maybe ones you just don't see every day, street rods, hot rods, muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panel. Look too bad. Seats, again, that vinyl kind of gray cloth combination. And you're going to see the interior from every angle in the still pictures. Looks like the headliner's looking good. You need to go ahead and start this up. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Odometer reads 70,273. I can't confirm or deny if that's original miles or not, just due to the fact once it's so old, a vehicle that is, it's not marked in the title anymore. It ends up getting marked exempt. Dash doesn't look bad. Still a stock radio in it, but like I said, Tech did mention that was in op. No lights on. That coolant light acting normal right now. All right, let's listen. Sounds like it's running pretty good. Let's go ahead. It's going to take me a couple hands with the prop rod. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. There's a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Again, the original. Numbers matching, 2.3 liter. flip around over here to the passenger side, and the stamping right there will have a VIN derivative on it. Looks like a newer die-hard battery. Thing is running smooth, no doubt about that. Interesting cars from back in the 70s. 1975 Chevrolet Vega, two-door hatchback. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1975 Chevrolet Vega in orange, an eye catcher. This is an automatic right here on the center console, or the hump of the drive shaft, if you will. Nice looking seats, almost a houndstooth look to those seats. Good condition dash and door panels. These cars are fairly light and it's quite nimble on the road. The steering wheel slightly canted to the left. That doesn't affect performance at all. Speedometer's working. Our fuel gauge reads a little over half of a tank. The wipers work on this car. There is a little bit of slack in the steering, as to be expected on some of these older cars. Not enough to give any trouble. The headliner looks good too. One of the smaller cars from Chevrolet, one of the miles per gallon getters for the 70s, right around the time of that oil crisis. You don't see very many of these surviving. Nice smooth ride on the highway, comfortable seating position. Braking smoothly. If you hear a kind of a tapping noise, that's the fuel pump. It's working as it should. Corners as you would expect for a 75 Vega. A little bit luxurious in the corners, just enough to make it comfortable and easy. Check out all the pictures of this bright orange 1975 Chevrolet Vega at uniqueclassiccars.com.